Nearly done. Uh-huh. Go. Come on now. Go.
I said, hey, you perfectly on cue.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm here. I'm back now. I kind of miss you guys. I haven't done any vlog for 2 months, 3 months now. The last vlog we did is when Anna arrived here from Los Angeles, and we kind of make a tour around Liverpool. But today, sad to say, we are self quarantine because of the coronavirus. The whole Liverpool has been nearly locked down, and everybody, including me, not going to work. And for safety purposes, we're gonna stay in the house. But today, I was thinking like, yeah, let's create something. Let's do some video, whatever it is. I kind of one of my mates text for a challenge, so I can't remember the time that I did the challenges. So what we cook. So we're gonna do something. But today we have a special guest. My nephew is here with me, just on the outside. He's gonna join me. We're gonna do something crazy we never been done before, and let's do this. We don't have anything planned for a couple of days, probably 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks, something for a month. We're gonna be stuck in this house. The whole house is fully loaded with food, and we could be here months and months. We'll be all right. So let's do this.
As I recall, I said, hey, babe, walk my way. You got me on fire. Save me the time.
Okay.
Save you the trouble when you
Hey guys, welcome. This is Kev, and we're gonna do something crazy. Okay, being Filipino that we are, right? So we're gonna eat some crazy spicy stuff. Wait, this is the wrong one. So basically, we're just gonna do something crazy. We're gonna do something that it's hella spicy. Just burn our tongues out today. Let's do it.
let it burn slow.
But guys, today we're not just gonna.
Yes, I'm done.
Alright guys, today we're not just gonna cook some noodles on it. As a chef, this is boring for us. So we're gonna add on some eggs, British eggs, some mushrooms, Chinese pak choy, onions, garlic, lemon, and some pork belly on our dish. So it's not gonna be hot, it's gonna be delicious as well. A proper Chinese or Korean or Japanese ramen. Of course, cooked by a Filipino chef. So let's see, let's roll, let's do this stuff. Come on. A hot, spicy Korean noodle challenge. Here we go. super chili Korean noodle challenge. So here we're done. We assemble everything. So it looks like this. A proper ramen. I don't know if this is the Korean ramen, but it's been cooked with a Filipino chef, and it's gonna be eat with a half Filipino, no, 75-60% Filipino French, and a proper Filipino chef here. So let's do this.
Let's do it.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, baby.
Boom. Bon appetit. What do you say in French?
Bon appetit.
Yeah, in there. Mine. Of course, man. What is wrong? Telling me how to cook? Bloody hell. Ah! Have you tried the noodles?
You know, it's like temperature-wise, right? It's hot as
It's actually hot
rain
cooking already. Now, the purpose why I'm putting some belly pork, egg, bok choy, even mushrooms in here, and including the spring onions to control the chili, the ×2 spicy chili on this bad boy here. When you eat this one direct, you feel the heat burning your throat to your lungs, you see. So in order to protect that, you have to put extra ingredients. Hot. Now it's kicking on it. Don't worry, mom. You can do this. I eat fresh chili, but fresh chili is quite different than this. But remember, when you eat this stuff, the first one is okay, and then later on it keeps burning and burning and never stops. That's the worrying part.
the mushrooms.
Mushrooms are good.
Exquisite, bro.
I love the mushrooms with garlic. Normally these mushrooms we go with steak, you see, so I like that.
It's like a doomsday special though, right? Yeah, so like how much is everything? They finish your stuff.
Stuck on my throat.
Wait, that's the price?
No, you have to assemble them. They're probably like around six pounds for the whole ramen.
£6 for the doomsday special, baby. That's how
Yeah.
you do it.
If you cook a normal like this one, you have to moderate everything. Oh, this is spicy.
Bro, I cannot take this.
Man, you have to continue, man.
You have any milk?
Grab, no. Put some lemon. Now, if it is so hot in your mouth, see, if it is so hot in your mouth will burn. Squeeze some lemon on your mouth, just in case, because we forgot the milk. Milk, mint, those things, you know, cold ones, ice. Oh, my mouth is starting to. Woo! Keep eating. Bro, you have to finish it.
It's like the devil's ass right now. Man.
You have to finish eating now, my mouth.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on. Start it.
Oh my.
More meat. Oh. This bad boy kicks so bad. So, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, it's quarantine. We stay in the house for 3 weeks now. So we're gonna do some challenges. Probably this is the last time. I'm not gonna do it again. It's like, I feel like burning my chest now. And oh my god, my eyes is a bit watery. So you can't see them. I'm wearing shades because it's embarrassing. But stop crying, Kev. Don't. If you rub them,
Something's in my eye.
yeah, the hot chemical is on your whole face. You see, it will turn red. Don't rub your eyes when it stirs with the chili, because it spread the pain on your face. It's really bad idea. But keep eating. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe. Until the next one, we're gonna finish this and we're gonna end up crying. So yeah, cheers. Peace out.
Bro, this is so hot, man. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Keep eating the meat. Put some lemon egg. I'm just not showing it because I'm on shade. Plus it's so embarrassing if you cry.
Wait, you're still playing video?
Yeah, I'm gonna be done.
Jesus Christ.
This will catch everything.
Let's be honest with you, £6 for this, I'll definitely buy it. Movies don't make it
Classic. Keep eating, Kev. Don't stop.
I don't know if I want to. Jeez. Doesn't like Asian babies eat this for like breakfast?
No.
Okay.
Only the Korean. Korean baby.
Like supposed to be Indian people too?
People?
If Indian people knows like they're another level.
Oh my god. Fire's going on in my nose. Oh. Ooh. Nearly done. Aha. Go on now. Go. It's doing good. You'll finish, ma'am. Wrap it up, eat all the meat. Go get
Wait, is this drinkable?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's water as well. Smell it first. Good.
This is not even fun anymore. This is not fun.
Dude. Nearly there, ma'am. Tusta. Dude, don't stop, man. You'll make it worse.
Dude, how do you vacuum that shit? Oh my goodness. Yo.
Down. Ah. Ah. Burns your chest and your throat. Wait, done. Challenger, cry. Chef, win. Oh my god, my eyes. Oh!
Alright, toilet.
Dude, the worst is when you go to the toilet.
That's exactly what I said, dude. Yo.
You have to go to the toilet and shower at the same time.
Bro, the toilet's gonna be so lit. Oh my goodness.
Oh my. Oh, this is awesome.
That's my favorite part.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Oh. I have a chili on tears at the moment. My face is turning red. But it doesn't matter. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Stay at your home. Don't let this coronavirus. Oh, by the way, you can kill coronavirus with this.
God.
Yes, you can. You will burn the chili out of it. But yeah, stay safe. Stay at home. Don't let this virus spread, everyone. And a round of applause for the NHS people, the frontliners. Thank you very much. Keeping the United Kingdom safe. And yeah, until the next vlog. Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, my name is Kev and we're going to be doing something crazy.
What?
Hey, what's up? This is Kev and we're going to do something crazy. Yeah, so we're going to be Filipino today and eat some pancit. This is shit, this Okay, so we're gonna do some crazy spicy stuff today. Noodle challenge, let's do it, baby.
I sang, hey,